We're celebrating our 35th anniversary in Forever. I can't believe it's been 35 years since we were sitting around the family dinner table with Rex as he talked to us about this great new company he was creating and trying to come up with a name for it.
I was like 2 when the company started, Greg. You're an old guy.
He's grown up to be such a nice boy.
Whatever. But 2012 has been an incredible year for Forever.
We had a 4% increase in global sales.
We had 5 incredible rallies: Dallas, Budapest, Cancun, Hong Kong, and Sun City.
Over 30,000 excited distributors attended these events.
Our World Rally in Hong Kong was spectacular.
Forever Giving was very busy this year, supporting major projects around the world. Your donations to Forever Giving are making a real difference, so please continue to generously donate at either your country office or at forever-giving.org.
And after 20 years of super rallies, we held our final one here in Phoenix. It was awesome.
We've been inspired. We've been motivated.
I'll never forget Greg's Good to Great message. If you haven't seen it, go to discoverforever.com.
We've taught each other, we've learned from each other, and we've helped each other.
We saw the launch of some amazing new products.
And 12 new I Am Forever videos. There are over 20 of them now. I love those.
Have you seen them all? They're also on discoverforever.com. You really need to check this out. We've got great people achieving incredible success and living incredible lives all over the world.
Did you know we're in more than 150 countries now? Literally, the sun never sets on Forever.
Forever shipped over 6,000 containers around the globe. Stacked up, that would put you in outer space.
We shipped nearly 10 million boxes around the world.
Our aloe farms now have more than 50 million plants in the ground. That's a lot of aloe.
We produced 8.2 million gallons. That's 31 million liters of aloe vera, and that filled 28 million bottles of gel.
Forever Nutraceutical, our incredible new, state-of-the-art, pharmaceutical-grade, high-tech, and highly efficient manufacture facility right here in Phoenix, produced more than 1 billion tablets this year.
Almost 1 million new distributors signed on with Forever.
And 2,325,407 distributors changed their level in the marketing plan.
That's like if we had 2,325,407 people do a move up.
Dude, that's what I just said.
Got it. Good point.
That's pretty incredible. I can hardly believe the level of success that all of you have achieved in 2012. It's been a phenomenal year. I want to thank all of you for all you do to make Forever the incredible success that it is. Just yesterday, I heard Rex say again that Forever has great buildings and great product, great resorts, and great manufacturing plants. But that's not why Forever is great. Forever is great because our people are great, people just like you. Do you think we can do it again in 2013? Can we grow this incredible company to even greater heights? I know we can, and I know what the key is.
You are the catalyst to make all of this happen. Forever has provided you all the tools to be successful. Incredible products, great training, fantastic global and local events, recognition, and an unbelievable financial opportunity.
So how do we do it? I recently read a book about habits. I learned that all too often we are stuck doing things that keep us from progressing. So for this next year, I want all of us to commit to changing our behavior, changing those habits that are holding us back. Find ways here and there to change, just a bit.
Change is the key.
You can make it happen.
But how do we change? Well, do you remember the 4 core presentation that Aiden gave us at the last rally? 4 core is what the most successful distributors are doing every day. Let's review the principles we learned.
Recruiting. How many people do you talk to each day? 20? 50, 100?
Aye.
How many of them are you sharing forever with? Hey, have you ever tried aloe vera gel?
No.
Would you like to?
Yes, thank you.
You know, this is one of the most important areas of focus in recruiting. Don't be afraid to pop the question. You have to invite people to try the product or look at the opportunity. It's a numbers game. The more people you share with, the more success you have.
My number one piece of advice, the nicest thing you can do for your team is get them to focus on four active CCs, that is. Help them get their whole organization 4CC active. If you do, we know they're going to stay in the business. If only 20% of your organization is 4CC active, you got to stay focused. Talk about it in every meeting. Get them pumped up. 4CCs on 3. 1, 2, 3. 4CCs! Yeah! Imagine if you had 35% 4CC active. What would your business be like?
Really?
Guys, it's a football thing.
Productivity. What is that? Simply, it's how much product you use and share. A solid forever business has a strong retail aspect. So look through your home and remove all the 0CC products. Then go back to all your customers and challenge them to use more products. Talk with your team and have them do the same thing. I'm sure if you look around, you can find numerous examples of products someone should be benefiting from.
Development. This is about moving people through the marketing plan. Recognize the movers. Look across your organization, identify those who are close to moving or you feel have the potential for growth. Set goals with them that are focused around the marketing plan milestones. Work closely with and focus your efforts on those who will realize the most success.
At the end of the day, 4 Core is about balance. Balance in your business is as important as balance in your life. If you focus, say, on development at the exclusion of recruitment, then your business isn't going to grow the way you want it to, and you'll suffer the consequences of that long term.
All of us need to focus on 4 Core and make the needed changes in our habits. That's how we're going to make 2013 be the best year yet at Forever. Check out some of the things we have in store.
Our first ever global rally in beautiful Honolulu, Hawaii.
We'll have 4,000 people in Hawaii.
Aloha! The Forever team will fly a total of 50 million miles.
We'll spend 600,000 hours in hotel rooms.
75,000 meals. That's a lot of calories.
And we'll spend 8 days of incredible scenery, fun, entertainment, training, and recognition.
We could pay out the largest chairman's bonus total in Forever history, expected to be more than $20 million.
Some companies get excited about handing out a single $1 million check. That's nothing compared to what we're going to be handing out.
We are launching some incredible products this year that will have a significant impact on your business.
That's just the start of the year. We also have an incredible trip for all our distributors who achieve Eagle Manager status.
A relaxing, fun-filled weekend on the beautiful island of Sardinia.
And don't forget, all of the Eagle Summit members will be joining us as well.
What an incredible opportunity to rub shoulders and learn from the top distributors in Forever.
And to recognize all of you great Eagle Manager qualifiers, we've created a beautiful addition to the coveted marketing plan pin. It's a prestigious symbol that will signify you are on top of your game in your Forever business.
In addition to these 2 great events, all of the countries and regions have exciting success days planned throughout the year to recognize distributors at every level in the marketing plan and generate and maintain excitement at the local level.
Be sure to support these events with all of the energy and passion that I know you're going to show at the Global Rally.
We also have a number of very important initiatives going on within the company. One of these is our new enterprise resource planning system called IFS.
Here's our own Debbie Whitmore to give you a short synopsis of what this system is all about.
ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning Systems, integrate internal and external management information across an entire organization.
So what does that mean for you and I? It means the right product at the right place at the right time at the right price. In addition to that, though, it will significantly reduce our carbon footprint next year.
Rex is making an incredible investment to make sure Forever is better than ever.
Speaking of Rex, none of this would be possible without his commitment, foresight, and passion for this business and for each one of you. So let's take a moment and listen to some of the advice and wisdom he shared with us throughout the year.
It's been a wonderful year for us. Thanks to all of you and your sharing our products and our opportunities with others. We're very, very excited about where Forever is marching to and where we're going to be this next year. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do what you want to do. Don't let anybody tell you you can't be free, because Forever will make you free. We need to be grateful, thankful that we have as our #1 product aloe vera, because we know it's healthy, we know it brings happiness, we know it brings prosperity to you and your families. And we're very thankful for all of our products. Remember, you are destined to be great. You're going to be a diamond manager, and you're going to help lots of people. Find the small and simple steps that can help you discipline yourself to be and create greatness. We want you to be the very best. We want you to be the people leading the pack, helping others get what they want in life. I am so proud to be on your team. I'm here today because I'm on your team, and I want to help you reach the top. And so I say to you, never forget that the power of Forever is the power of love. I love you all. I want to see you at the top. I want to see you all in Hawaii next year. Okay? I love you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
Wow, look at the incredible company we are all a part of and the exciting things we have to look forward to in 2013. You are an intricate part of making it all a reality in your life and your business. Now, before we go, I want to remind all of us of the mission of Forever.
We will create a profitable environment
where individuals can, with dignity, be what they want to be.
Where integrity, empathy, and fun are our guides.
We will create and cherish a passion for and a belief in our company, our products, and our industry.
We will seek knowledge and balance.
And above all, we will be courageous as we lead our company and our distributors.
All of us need to keep our mission statement in mind as we work to make 2013 the greatest year in Forever's 35-year history. We want to wish you all a prosperous and fun-filled 2013. And remember, together we are creating greatness.